Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It's another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Thursday the 23rd. We made it so far. It's almost Friday. Got another Amazon Prime special to do. And of course, you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take a look at what they have to offer. This is coming from Tech, I believe. Here we go. And we got that open. And we got that side open. So we shall see what they have to offer. Oh boy. Alright. And this is going to be Bluetooth water dancing speakers. Show water fountain LED speakers. Oh, sweet. SoundSOUL. 6 watts. 3x3. These are fancy dancy. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. And if you guys want to hear the full sound, the quality of these speakers, it'll be on my Instagram page also. So just because of copyright, I don't want to put it on YouTube. But if you guys are curious how they sound and take advantage of the Prime shipping, you'll get this out in no time. Uh-oh. Here we go. Has water in it. Interesting. Oh, that's right. Alright. Everything is out of the box. Bada boom. This is what they look like. Nice. I'm a little bit crooked. There we go. Something's wrong with my tripod. Trying to set it up without it tilted. Here we go. Alright. I'll take this off, see what they look like. At least try to set up some of it, but like I said, I can't do the sound test on here. So, comes with some cables. We've got some cables. Go somewhere. There we go. We got the cables out. And then this guy. Got this USB. And we got the audio jack. And so weird, the water, you guys can see it right there. Not sure if I'm supposed to fill it all the way up. I don't want to open it and spill it. But these look really cool. Got the controls down here. Volume mode. A little subwoofer right there. Here is the other one. See, this one looks full. It's an illusion. These are really cool. Alright, plug, this is a USB. That'll be for the power. Check it out. There we go. Uh-oh, focus. Can't see me. Got that one. Got the USB untied. Why is it not? Maybe because of clarity. USB. There's the audio to 2. See right there. Reset. We can link them up. Alright, let's give this a try, guys. Oh, okay, so once you be for the phone, put this side right in here. Boom. And you take this side. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, dokie. We got these right here. And all you gotta do is plug it in. I think this one. Right in there. So it'll be connected like so. Hope you guys can see. Right there. Uh-oh. There we go. And now this right here. Plug it into this one. That is to give it a charge. Power supply. And I'm going to move this over to the computer. Give me 1 sec. Alrighty, I'm going to turn off the lights. We got it all set up. Maybe I could still play some music. SoundSOUL. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Ouch. If I could, look for the music lab. Give me 1 second. Well, this is a Bluetooth speaker, so check out the ceiling. Kind of look like the Northern Lights. But brought out my bat phone. I'm gonna hook it up Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and then I'm gonna try to see what I could play. Too risky, but there it is. It's gonna come up, that thing. Let's see. Paired. See? This is gonna be cool. Shoot. I think anything. Maybe I could play my voice. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. Let's see if this works.
Hey, this is your Olympic hero, Kurt Angle. Hello, YouTubers. Please subscribe to the Stout 79 channel for awesome giveaways. Oh, it's true. It's damn true. This stuff can't be made up, folks.
That's cool. Oh, that's really cool. This would be great for Christmas gift coming up. Black Friday is not too far away, so if you guys want to get a good deal on a Bluetooth speakers, something different. And like I said, I wish I could play the sound more, but that'll be on my Instagram page, and you can take a look. Pretty cool. If you want to hear what these sound like, just click on over to the Instagram and take a listen. I'll have that up later on today. So check them out, YouTubers. Link is down below. Be safe. Have a good night, and see you soon.